Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for staying with us here at Winning on Taxes, how to win with the IRS. And we've really focused today on how to have your rights respected. And again, the number one thing we've covered today is the Taxpayer Bill of Rights. So if you ever feel like the IRS is not respecting your rights, you can say, hey, publication one says this, says this, says this. I don't believe this is happening. I want to talk to your manager. I want to talk to your regional manager. So people like to make fun of Karens today. You can absolutely be a Karen until you're satisfied that your rights are being respected. And you should demand that. Now, there are plenty of times where people are insisting on something and it's just wrong because they don't know what their rights are. But that's why it's so important to know what your rights are. And the best way to do that is to get expert advice. Best way to do that is to reach out to someone that you can bounce ideas off, that can guide you through the process, if not take it over for you. But if you're hiring a representative, it's so important that they just don't take over everything, but that they inform you through the process, what's going on, what's happening, that you can be informed through the process. There are so many representatives that don't teach, inform, educate as you go through the process. So you should be much wiser about the IRS when you come out the back end. And that is how you enable yourself to know how to protect yourself, how to never be in this situation. But if something does happen again, know how to get your rights respected. So again, the IRS has policies and procedures that are in place. They have to send so many letters. They have to send a series of letters before they can take collection action against you. They have to send you a notice before they assess extra balances to you. This is your opportunity to respond and be heard. True story. I had someone drive from Texas to California to meet with us. And he was Spanish speaking, so there was a language barrier, but I'm fluent in Spanish. So when he got there, and this was all the way to California, Sacramento, California, he had a briefcase full of letters, none of them opened. Our letters begging for information, IRS letters that were demanding information, demanding that he file tax returns, and they were all Greek to him. He couldn't read it, understand it. And many people, they look at this and they say, hey, we provide a service where we do free document review. If you ever get a document, you don't know if it's a scam or if it's real, you can send it to us. We'll review it for free and steer you in the right direction. But it is so important to don't ignore their letters. That is part of what they have to do to respect your rights through due process. And those are a great opportunity to find out what's going on. Something's going on. Let's just investigate. And so you have the right to contest what's going on. You have the right to be informed. And again, there's no dumb question when it comes to the IRS. People they're confused. There's all kinds of bad things on the internet, confusing, misinformation. And it gives you so much peace to be accurately informed. And so you can sleep at night. There's so many people that worry the IRS is going to grab them and throw them in jail. That is the exception, that they're going to come take their car in the house. Rare exception. Get informed. And winning on taxes is being informed so you know what your rights are. And we'll see you next time.